Pool Director. Take control of your pool with just a tap on your smartphone, thanks to the Pool Director system. It's like having a pool butler in your pocket. Effortlessly adjust the temperature and set the mood with customizable lighting options. But that's not all. This smart system is always on guard, monitoring your pool's water condition. It knows exactly when to kickstart the filtration process to keep the water crystal clear. And if there's ever a hiccup, you'll get an instant notification. For bigger issues, don't worry. Help is just an app away. You can easily reach out to a specialist through the app for any assistance. Ring Smart Lighting. Ring Smart Lighting is all about boosting your home security, starting right at your doorstep. The brains behind this innovative lighting system have designed it to blend perfectly with your home and yard security arrangements. Here's the cool part. These lights are not just ordinary bulbs. They come packed with motion sensors and can effortlessly sync with your home's cameras and even doorbells. Imagine a light that not only brightens up your space, but also keeps an eye out for you. Priced at just $30, each light can detect motion up to 4.5 meters away. Snowmelting. In Canadian cities, where snow seems to reign supreme, they've come up with a smart way to tackle the winter wonderland. Take Quebec, for example, where snow blankets the ground from December to April, accumulating over 3 meters. To fight off this frosty invasion, Canada has engineered a system to keep neighborhoods and sidewalks cozy and clear. Covering more than 3,000 square meters, this system says goodbye to shovels and manual labor. It's not just for the ground. Craftsmen can even fit heating mats on stairs and porches. What really makes this system shine is its energy efficiency, using 40% less energy than similar solutions. Plus, it's fully automatic, helps pavements last longer, and is compatible with paving stones. The creators are keeping some secrets under wraps, but they claim it's a revolutionary and exclusive approach to keeping the cold at bay in some of the world's snowiest spots. Pergola Solidaires. Pergolas are getting a high-tech makeover. Imagine a pergola that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury resort or hotel. That's what this company offers with their custom-made smart pergolas. You can choose from a range of options like ambient lighting, elegant glass features, and even some nifty electric shutters for added security. These aren't your average pergolas. They boast openings up to 7 meters wide and come equipped with a rainwater drainage system, so your outdoor furniture and accessories stay dry and safe. With 8 moving parts, 6 in the walls and 2 in the roof, you get to decide the perfect balance of sunlight, ventilation, and privacy. Sunflower Labs. Sunflower Labs is bringing the future to your doorstep with drones for patrolling large areas. These high-tech guardians can zip to any spot within a 2-hectare area in just 30 seconds, no matter the weather, rain, snow, or wind. You don't even need to lift a finger, as these drones autonomously navigate and avoid obstacles, even identifying objects in low light. When not in use, they rest and recharge in their own capsules, powering up fully in just 22 minutes. Plus, the system is built with safety as a top priority. Garage Door Opener. Get ready to upgrade your garage experience with this cutting-edge garage door opener. It's like having a personal garage butler at your fingertips. You can remotely check if your garage is open or closed and control it from anywhere. This high-tech opener comes with night vision, records in crystal clear 1080p, and safely stores your footage in the cloud. And don't worry about waking the neighborhood. Its lifting mechanism is whisper quiet, yet as powerful as 3/4 of a horse. There's even a sweet bonus: LED lights that turn on with motion and built-in Wi-Fi for effortless connectivity. Farmbot. Farmbot is making virtual gardening a reality, inspired by the hit game Animal Crossing. New Horizons, which soared to 30 million sales in its first year. Unlike typical action or racing games, players in Animal Crossing enjoy serene activities like growing fruits and trading crops. Farmbot brings this concept to life. With open source code, It's a breeze to customize and improve. Setting up the basic kit is a 1-hour task, and with a max area of 2.4 by 6 meters, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Serving customers in 90 countries and even used in schools and universities, the FarmBot Express 1.1 is a steal at $1,400, revolutionizing gardening in a fun, interactive way. Kohler 2Ys. Kohler 2Ys is tackling a major issue many countries face, including the US, where about 2 trillion liters of drinking water are lost each year due to old pipes. This system is a lifesaver for homes and apartments, quickly alerting you to leaks, checking your plumbing for potential problems, and keeping an eye on water usage. It's dive-friendly, and all the information you need is right in the mobile app. Plus, the basic version is super affordable at just $56, making water management smarter and more accessible. Rehau Smart Guard. Rehau Smart Guard is redefining home security. Traditional alarms only blare after a break-in, often when it's too late. But what if you could stop burglars in their tracks? German experts at Rehau have created just that. An alarm that activates before intruders can do any harm. It senses trigger lights and sound alarms when someone gets within 20 centimeters of your windows or doors, reducing false alarms from passers-by or neighbors. You'll get instant notifications on the app, which also lets you control the system manually, turn it on or off, and check the status of your entrances. Our Smart Guard is an innovative leap forward in home security. G-Knob. Tired of juggling multiple remotes and apps to control your smart home? A Chinese team had a light bulb moment and created the G-Knob, a universal controller to simplify your life. This clever device consolidates control of your home's temperature, lighting, curtains, and even the ambience around your monitor into one handy knob. You can either mount it on the wall or use it on a tabletop base. It smartly detects nearby smart devices, displaying them on its screen, and syncs seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, Meta, and more. Starting at just $40, the G-Knob is the ultimate command center for your smart home. Rainwater harvesting system. Switching gears to sustainability, let's talk about rainwater harvesting. In some areas, you can collect about 2,500 liters per season. This water is perfect for tasks like washing cars or watering gardens. Think about Richard's Rainwater Company. They collect, filter, package, and sell rainwater for $17 per 12 cans. Plus, rainwater is excellent for bathing. It's low in salt, making it easy to rinse off soaps and gentle on your scalp.